Jury selection continued today in the Scot Peterson trial. He's the former BSO school resource deputy who was accused of failing to confront the MSD shooter. Local 10's Christina Vasquez is live with what happened in court today. Christina.
And today was the first time prosecutors had an opportunity to be in dialogue with these prospective jurors. Just listening to the charging document.
Did willfully or by culpable negligence as a caregiver.
Hearing the judge recite the counts ex-Parkland deputy Scot Peterson is facing to include child neglect charges.
Failing, declining, or refusing to seek out, confront, or engage the shooter, thereby allowing Anthony Borges to be shot with a firearm by another person.
And a perjury charge after investigators say he lied about what he saw and heard on scene.
Minimize the number of shots he heard and or people exiting the building to falsely justify why he never attempted to investigate the source of the gunshots.
Related to the students and staff, the Parkland shooter murdered and wounded on the 3rd floor, a time when investigators say the former school resource officer had enough information to move in.
This is the one time that we really get to speak with one another.
Was a critical first step in the jury selection process underway.
Can you check that at the door? Can you just listen to whatever evidence is presented in this case and make a final determination?
Yes.
The court is seeking 10 who can be fair and impartial, 6 jurors and 4 alternates who can put aside what they have heard about the Parkland shooting, the defendant in this case, and consider only the evidence presented at trial. Prosecutors accuse him of failing, declining, or refusing to investigate the source of the gunshots, seek real-time information from 5 students who fled the 1200 building, move toward the sound of gunfire, seek out, confront, or engage the shooter. And it is anticipated that when jury selection resumes tomorrow, the defense in this case will then have its opportunity to ask these prospective jurors some questions. Reporting live for tonight, I'm Christina Vasquez, Local 10 News.